A man has a lot of sheep. He goes to work in another town. He needs help from his son.
Son, can you watch the sheep for me?
Okay, Dad. What do I do if a wolf comes?
Yell loudly. I'll come and help you.
Can you yell loudly?
Yes, I can. I can yell very loudly. Help! Help!
Great.
The boy watches the sheep on the hill. He counts the sheep.
How many sheep are there?
Let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. The boy tells stories to the sheep. Sheep, do you want to hear a story? I can tell stories well. Then he sings songs to the sheep. Sheep, do you want to hear a song? I can sing well. But the boy gets bored.
Can you watch the sheep for me? Sheep for me. Sheep for me. Can you watch the sheep for me? I have to go away. Yes, I can watch the sheep for you. Sheep for you. Sheep for you. Yes, I can watch the sheep for you. The sheep are safe with me. Can you yell for help loudly? Help loudly. Help loudly. Can you yell for help loudly? A wolf may come, you know. Yes, I can yell for help loudly. Help loudly. Help loudly. Yes, I can yell for help loudly. Then Mom can come and help.
After a few days, the boy is very bored. He thinks about the wolf. He has an idea. He yells very loudly. Help! A wolf! Help! Help!
A wolf! Help! Help!
People in town come to help the boy.
Here we are. Where is the wolf?
There isn't any wolf. It's a joke. Ha ha.
You're just kidding about a wolf?
That's not funny.
The next day, the boy yells again. Help! A wolf! Help! Help! The people in town come again to help him.
I will chase the wolf.
Okay, I will kill the wolf.
Where is the wolf?
Ha ha, there isn't any wolf. It's a joke. The boy laughs and laughs. The people are very angry.
You're a bad kid. Don't laugh.
But I think it's funny. Ha ha.
Never yell for help. You don't need it. Never ever.
Okay, Mom, I won't. The people go back to the town. Ha ha, what fun. I love jokes.
There's a little boy who yells for help. The people come, but there's no wolf. Here's a little lesson you should learn. Never yell for help when there's no wolf. Help me, the boy yells for fun. People come again, still no wolf. Here's a little lesson you should learn. Never yell for help when there's no wolf.
The next day, a wolf comes out of the forest.
Oh no, a wolf is coming.
The boy yells for help. Help! There's a wolf! Help me!
A wolf! Help! Help!
Woo! But no one from the town comes. They don't believe the boy.
My son is yelling. Maybe it's a real wolf.
No, I don't think it's a real wolf.
What if he's not kidding this time?
I think it's just another joke. Me too. It's a joke.
Okay, let's not go this time.
The wolf chases the sheep on the hill.
Help! Help!
Look at all of those tasty sheep. Food, yum yum.
Help! Why don't people come? Help! Help! The sheep run into the forest. The wolf chases after them.
Bear, bear, help! The wolf is going to eat us.
Yum, sheep are my favorite food.
No, bear, bear.
The boy is alone on the hill. Now I have only one sheep. What is the lesson for me?
Only say true things.
Do not say things that are not true.
People won't listen to you. Always say true things. Too many jokes can make friends mad. Make them mad, make them mad. Too many jokes can make friends mad. Only play jokes now and then. Kidding around can make friends mad. Make them mad, make them mad. Kidding around can make friends mad. Only kid friends just for fun. Say uncool things can make